everyone, welcome back to gipsyrosepaperie. Today I'm doing a showcase of a junk journal kit that I have listed in my Etsy shop, and I did show it on Instagram stories. It's a lot of stuff, so I just wanted everyone to be able to see everything that's in here. I'm calling this a kit because I'm including a cover, a pre-made cover, and also because there's a lot more variety than just paper, like hardware and decorative type things. So we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna take everything out. The plastic folder here is included. What I'll do is sort of take it out of frame and then show you everything like piece by piece. The other thing I forgot to mention, it's more Halloween themed. There are some things in here that are not really Halloween related, but when you incorporate them with Halloween stuff, then it can kind of like, you know, serve a double purpose if you'd like, or you could push that stuff to the side and use it for something else. But I have two keys. These are Holtz Keys. One says Poison and it has like a bronze finish, and the other one says Beware and it's got more of a copper type finish. And actually I should have them all in the baggie so they don't get lost. I think that's what I'll do. And then in this little baggie I have a little bat clip, really cute. You can use it to attach papers or maybe to the cover. Actually, let me pull the cover. I'm already starting all discombobulated here. So you could probably like put it on the cover, like, let's see, like so, or maybe you could attach it to like a piece of fabric, and then this could be like a closure for it, like this, super cute. And then in here are just, what is in here? I don't know all that's in here. There's some little like woodland type scraps. Oops, I have sequins, ghost sequins. Some stamps. I'm gonna put the keys in here. Little ghosties and little circle cutouts, little like graph paper scraps. This card. Little Tim Holtz vocabulary card. I have some RIP sequence in here. There is a little charm that says Journey. This is also Tim Holtz. Then we have like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a haunted portrait. So if you look at it one way, it's just a person, and if you look at it the other way, it's kind of like a ghost. And then some more little tiny circle type cutouts. So I'll put that all in here. I'll probably put the die cuts in here too. So let's go ahead and do those next. So we have like these really intricate like corner detail thing there, and a pumpkin, hocus pocus, little witch hat. I included some, I had some leftover Halloween Alice from the last time I made a Halloween Alice journal, which was very long time ago, I think 2 years now, and I have been slowly trying to reorganize my studio, and I've been finding a lot of cool things that I haven't used, probably will never use. I didn't even know it was still there, so I might as well like pass it on. Another die cut. These are all really cool die cuts. I have actually used these in my own personal Halloween journal, and they just add like a really cute touch if you're looking to make like, you know, not like super scary like bloody murder Halloween, but more like a cute fun Halloween journal. I don't think the crow or the raven, I think this is a raven, fits in here, so I'll leave her out. And then the cover, it is this beautiful fabric. There is a layer of padding, so it's got kind of like a soft type texture, but it's very sturdy. It's bendable, but it's sturdy. And I have stitching all around, my usual messy stitching. And then the inside's got this sort of, I want to call this dark academia type Halloween. And I love the purple and the moons on the cover. Then we have a Mr. Skeleton, and I believe he does glow in the dark. This is like some graphic 45 that I had stamped out, and it's fairies. They're mostly all fairies. And then we have these little dancing mice. These would be really cute to cut out, and you can like add it to a collage or something. And then we have, I call her Ophelia. Some more graph. This is like a dark scrap. It's got some skulls on there. I've got a few glassine bags. They're nice and new and fresh, so you could stamp on those or coffee dye them if you'd want. I do have like some Christmassy type stuff, and I'm just going to include it here because sort of like a bonus. You can use it for Christmas stuff. Christmas is coming soon, right around the corner from Halloween, so if you wanted to do that, you can. But this is not Christmas related. This is just a little like acetate piece that you could use. And then these are all the Christmas ones. I would call it woodland Christmas because they're all like flowers and woodsy type. There's a little bit of ribbon there. There's deer. There's this beautiful black pine cone paper. Again, this Christmas woodland. I call this Christmas woodland. I don't think they make this paper anymore. I bought this paper a very long time ago. This is more Halloween. This is definitely Halloween. So just some Christmassy type paper. Then I have some tea-dyed tea paper that I had separated. I had used it on a journal as a background, and then I would stamp over it. It's a really pretty effect. Some stamps, and then just some book paper scrap. And we have this really cute fall themed or Halloween themed. It's a little girl with a jack-o'-lantern. It's just a little ephemera piece. And some Prima paper. And then we're going to continue right in with the fall. This is some Halloween paper. Some more Halloween scraps. Here I included this like masquerade. I had used it to punch some die cuts, but there's still a really good bit that you could use as a collage piece. Halloween stuff, some graphic 45 paper, some more graphic 45. A Halloween piece here. We have some Tim Holtz scraps, and we have a vellum piece as well. Some more of that cute fairy. Graphic 45, graphic 45. This is actually a bag. This can go for your Christmas stuff. So this is almost like a Nightmare Before Christmas journal pack because it's like Christmas and Halloween. I really love this baggie. It breaks my heart to part with it, but again, I need to let other people enjoy some of this stuff because I'm never gonna have enough time to create with everything that I have. A fall piece. Let's see here. Another little like fall holiday piece. I have some like frame die cuts on Halloween paper. Really cool if you put like a creepy picture behind here, and then that could be the frame. It reminds me almost like Haunted Mansion type. Let's see what else we've got here. I have some ribbon, and some of the stuff I got this year, and it's a pretty good size. Almost a half yard, I think. So very pretty. I have some more die cuts. This is why I wanted to show you guys, because in pictures, you know, even though you are trying to show it all, you're not really getting everything. So maybe I should take out that baggie again, because we have more die cuts. We have this Jeepers one. We have a moon. Have another fall piece. Then this is some of the new Michael's Halloween ephemera for this year. And also I found a little moon charm in here, so I'll throw that all in there. I was trying to add moons because the cover has like witches flying by the moon. This is from Target, from their Bullseye Playground, I think 2 years ago, but I thought it would be really cute. They're pins. You could probably pin this to the front somewhere. It's just a really cute little detail. And then this was like a little stand that I had on my desk, and it broke, and you could maybe use it on the cover. It's a little bit bigger, just a tiny bit bigger than the cover, but it would look so cute. And then we have like these fun coffin shaped like a party game in different colors. I've got quite a few of these don't drink and fly. I love these little punny napkins. some more Halloween paper. I got this little like coin pocket. We got some like billing paper you could use as an extra fun piece in your journal. Some more napkins. These are really super cute. Some black cats. We got a paper bag, like a vintage paper bag. And these are some Halloween stickers. And then I had, in the process of cleaning my office, I found more Alice pieces. These are all full, as you can see, full size pieces in the back. Looks like this. And then this year, again, like I said, I bought way too much. So I'm going to include this like x-ray picture. This is like a creepy dude or lady looking through abandoned door, and then this is like a hand or a foot, and it's got some really cool like penmanship on there. And then I had some of that new Tim Holtz toilet guys, I almost said toilet paper. New wallpaper. It's called backdrops. It's not even called wallpaper anymore, but it's really, actually, I don't think this is wallpaper because the wallpaper is textured and it's only one-sided, and these are double-sided, and they're like scrapbook paper quality, like his scrapbook paper quality. But I have a map of London, looks like that on the back, and then like a ledger type print, and the back looks like that, like worn wallpaper. So yeah, that is it. It's a pretty hefty kit. It's got a lot of pieces. I would say, gosh, at the very least 30 piece, maybe more. I think it's closer to probably 50, but we can count. Why don't we count? So we're at 70, and I still have like all this stuff left to include in here. So again, it's quite a hefty kit, and you wouldn't even have to use everything in the one journal. If you didn't want to, you could save stuff for another day or maybe another journal even. You could probably make two Halloween journals. Obviously, I only included the one cover. You could probably make two. Definitely you could make two if you do a Christmas one. So as you can see, it's very hefty. I can't even almost close this. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to showcase it so that you guys had an opportunity to see everything that was in here. I did take time and thought to kind of put something that was cohesive together. Obviously, the Christmas stuff is just a bonus. I wouldn't even count it as part of the actual kit. I just found them all together, nicely curated it, and I didn't want to break them up, and there weren't really enough to create another kit around, so I figured I'll just add that as a bonus. If you love Halloween, you usually love Christmas. I mean, I know I do, so why not include it in there? So I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. The link is down in the description box. Right now I can only ship in the United States because of just everything that's going on. I haven't had very good luck with international shipping, and the last time I tried to ship like a kit like this, it got lost. Thank you guys again for stopping by. I love you so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.